Minifigures. They're more than just tiny figures that complete a Lego set. They bring stories to life, but what if you can't find the perfect character for your imagination? That's where I come in. I've just uploaded the first part of my new series where I show you how to create custom minifigures inspired by iconic characters like Herobrine from Minecraft, the Avengers, Doomslayer, and many more. But that's just the beginning. I'll also be sharing detailed tutorials on creating these minifigures step by step and even stop-motion animations to bring them to life. This series is all about helping you craft unique, personalized minifigures and explore the creative side of Lego. Whether you're a collector or just a Lego enthusiast, these videos will give you everything you need to get started. Check out the first part of the series in the description and stay tuned for more exciting tutorials. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. Let's dive into the world of custom minifigures.